You know I am always here. A ver, ya.
Yeah. You get the thing, man. Me fall. Ah.
Hello? You, sir? You're there?
Excuse me.
My name is here. Who you want? You work here? You live here? Where you related to? Where you name?
Lady, me know you. You ask me so much question.
I ask any amount of question I want to ask, and you don't need to know me. Me want to know you. Me work here. Who is you?
Lady, you want to serve or what?
What? Hold on. Talk again.
How this man? Lady, you want to serve or what?
Oh, advice there. Where have I bag?
Hear me no man. I move here no man.
Hold on, where I go? Where I move go? Where I bag? Let come in! Let come in! Come out here right now! Hello, where are you going? Let come in! Let come in! Come out here right now!
How many are mad?
Where I go? Where you going, sir? Let come in! Come out here! Then suppose I kidnap then you want kidnap me. I said I'm gonna take you come out.
Patsy, what y'all do?
Hello, come over here now. Now come searching back. Me catch him in the shop. Come, girl.
Patsy, this is Ricardo, Karim cousin. We work in a shop.
So, sir, you couldn't say that to time out. Saying two pussy of them. You have my out here ball up my throat. For what reason?
You not even give me the chance. You just ask one bag of question. Is what?
Okay, miss, come here. You see me put pussy over that song? You ever wonder if you have pussy in that song? You know what pussy do? See, watch out pain.
Ricardo, you can go on here.
Alright, Mr. Post.
Patsy, behave yourself. And Happy New Year, miss.
Oh yeah, Happy New Year! When my New Year is good as that. Oh, by the way, I am my replacement. I stop working at the shop. You replace me.
No, Patsy. Remember you tell me say I got busy for the Christmas, so I have to find somebody else working in a shop for me.
I like him, I don't know. But him too young.
Patsy, what whisper there?
Say as more whisper for I can't look at the next man. I can't look at the next man eye.
No, that is not it, Patsy. What are you doing?
Well, mother do well when I get to rain still. Oh, hi Miss Bubbles. Happy New Year.
Hi, Patsy. Happy New Year to you too. See, makeup girl there.
I always style a wig.
Actually, I did.
Huh? You need to make me install it the next time.
Alright, Patsy. Next time.
Alright. Take care. It's a nice big man, no, but she might come grooming. Yes, rough.
Let me get the Gatorade.
Bring some.
like,
I couldn't.